Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to configure Azure ADO connector in Defender for Cloud. In this video we will learn how to configure Azure ADO connector in Defender for DevOps. So first of all, we'll have to prepare the environment. So as you already know, I deploy it using the ARM template in which my resources are deployed, which are Windows Linux VMs, Linux VMs, AKS, ACR, Key Vault, Functions apps, App Service Plan, Virtual Network, Storage Account, etc. When you are done with it, let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. Now we will go to dev.azure.com. I'm logged in into Azure DevOps portal. Okay, HTTPS : dev.azure.com. Sign into Azure DevOps. I'll select my account. You can use the same account. Working on it. Okay, here you will see your organizations, your project. You can create multiple organizations. You can create multiple projects within an organization. Okay, now we'll have to configure the Azure ADO connector. So when you are logged on to the Azure portal, please open Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You see the options of environment settings. You see this option, add environment. Click on Azure DevOps preview. Now the create Azure DevOps connection page appears, and then we will have a name for this connector. You can enter a descriptive name for the Defender for DevOps instance, or you can say my connector, or I'll use Azure connector. Okay, my subscription is pay as you go, and then you can select the resource group in which you have all your resources. For example, I'm picking up GCP, and Defender for DevOps only supports Central US during preview. So it's still in preview. That is why it is only giving me an option of Central US. When it will be generally available, it will be available for all the regions. Now you select the plan, and you have to click on the authorize option, authorize connection. So this is my protect your DevOps environment and source code with the advanced defenses. So you click on next, authorize connection. Now selecting authorize will grant Defender for Cloud access to your Azure DevOps resources. You may encounter issues if you are not using the same identity for both Azure DevOps and the subscription where you are creating the connector. I'm using the same identity. Make sure you use the same as well. So what all this identity will get. So app is requesting the following permissions for this Microsoft account with which I am logged in onto my Azure portal. It grants the ability to read identities and groups, grants the ability to create and update service hook subscriptions, read metadata, grants the ability to read, create and update work items and queries, update boot metadata, read area and iterations paths, code, PR threads, everything option on Azure DevOps. This account will have a read access so that it can fetch the data. I accept it, or I click on accept. Now you select the there are two organizations. Why is it not showing? So if you click here, organization, there should be two, or then you can select Okay, it says you are not a project collector admin of one or more select dog. Okay, so if I go to my DevOps portal here, I should be a admin. So if I go to my organization settings, project collector admin, permissions, I am the project collector admin. Okay. I am. Okay, I don't know why it is not. Now you click on, this is the read permissions. Now click on review and create. I'm not getting an option of selecting the project. I am the, or maybe I'll members. I'm the project collector administrator on the organization level, or my first projects permissions. I am. I can add a user. I am already the member of the group. I don't know why it's not picking up, but this is how you do it. You create the authorization, you select the and then you configure the Microsoft security DevOps extension. Right, so this is how you create. I am not sure why it is not giving me. I'll create it again, but you got the idea how you create a ADO connector with Defender for Cloud in DevOps. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll still work why it is not giving me this option. Thank you. Have a good day.